Thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Aminbom. I live in Japan and I make handicraft every day because I love to make it. Today I will show you brooches made of yarn. It is very easy to make and you can use leftover yarn. We have to prepare these materials. Their materials circle cloth, brooch pin, 0.5mm thin needles, and leftover yarns. And we can put different beads on the top so you can pick your own liking. Today I'm going to use a very fine needle because it will be delicate and might be a little difficult. Please choose the needles according to the width of the thread. So we are going to make it. First, we have to thread a 20 cm left and we have to form knots just like this. We will make 20 times cast on. We are going to knit. Please be careful not to drop your stitch and keep knitting. After making 5 cm long, we are going to bind off. We will have make our own square-shaped yarn cloth for our cover. We have to get our aluminium circle and round cloth and start sewing. You are going to sew round and pull over. You have just made the base of brooch. Okay, let's start decorating our brooch by putting our beads. Please make it with your favorite design. This is the most fun part of this handicraft. In this step, we decorate the brooch with various beads. Please use your imagination in choosing your design. As much as possible, do not sew on the front of the brooch, but we have to sew at the back in order to make our knitting neat and pretty. And lastly, we stick the main thread brooch together with a brooch pin using the all-purpose glue. And then we have to use a clip to secure it. It's done when the glue dries. You can attach it on your eco shopping bag. You can also use it as a cross pin for decoration. Lastly, you can also gift your handicraft to your loved ones. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. I will be make more clips in the future.